right, good morning, everybody. Jack Leeson with StartupTrading.com. It is just past the open here, about 15 minutes, first day of the month. And let's look at the S&P here. Boy, oh boy, I mean, just another one of those days where what a move. But yesterday, obviously huge gap downs that just reversed all day long, and what the S&P ran into, it seems to be the next traditional. So coming out of what was last week's high, we had a halfway back short on Thursday that went completely through its targets, got way past the negative 100, really oversold to go that far past the negative 100. We basically opened Sunday night below that, spent the entire evening below that, and then everybody was just caught short. We've rallied all the way back up into, and it'll be the resistance here today. It has not yet traded during the regular trade hours today, but the 56.56 is Thursday's high drawn to Monday's low. The 50% retracement now traded at the close, and then basically we reopened after coming off of that level, retested it in the overnight session, fell lower, and now as we are where we rest this morning, I'm going to go to a smaller time frame chart. The halfway back off that high has been sold into. So overnight highs to lows so far has acted as resistance. Now, opposing that yesterday, after we had that morning reversal, this first traditional traded, and then we have just completely blown through those targets. This is going to be the same for both indexes, but the high of 10.05 to high is the long sequence. It is here, 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 here. We continue to defend it. So that's going to be the battle for the indexes. If we are breaking out higher, the upside target for this move would be 56.94. But if we can base between and continue to get rejected and stay below the 56.56, we will eventually distribute lower and probably take out that daily low that we took out in the NASDAQ yesterday, but the ES did not. Then we just had a rip your face off rally. But yeah, that's going to be what I'm paying attention to. If we can get all the way up to that target here today, maybe look for a reversal at that point in time. But right now, considering both these levels have traded, I'm just going to be sitting around waiting for a bit until we either take out the long or break out of the short. Moving on to the NASDAQ. Very similar, except that higher time frame is an extension. So the NASDAQ, the selling pressure is much more aggressive. The volatility is just higher. The lows of Thursday to low is the extension. Now, we were looking for this on Friday, but we could not even rally into it. We could not even trade it. So I'm looking for that here again today. We traded it at the close. It's 19,457. Opposing that is a long from the 10.05 anchor. And once again, we've traded that in the overnight. We're not quite got back to it here this morning, but 19,457 is going to be my first level above us here. And I'm actually going to place an order there right now. We'll see what we do between these levels. If we break out, the upside target of the extension is going to be at 19,559. But that's what I have here this morning, and then I'm going to jump on the squawk. So I'll see